and my major is food science and nutrition. Originally it was dietetics to be a registered dietitian, and last year after my semester in Culinology I realized that was my passion and that's what I needed to do. And actually my first day of school today really cemented that. And I am going to be graduating in 2 years, and I've already been at this 3 years, but I'm a mom of 2, so I had to go a little slower than other people and put a lot more time to get to this point. I love food, and I love cooking, and I love talking about food, and I love telling you what you should do about food and how you should cook your food. And what I realized with last semester in Culinology is that I would really enjoy developing products and telling people that they could go to the store and buy something that I made, that I prepared with love and care, that was good for them, that was delicious, and they could just pick it up on the go and eat it. Well, I do already make a lot of nutrition bars and shakes and cookies and things like that for people that are trying to diet, and I'm always looking for new sauces that are really delicious and nutritious at the same time that people can buy from me and put on a variety of stuff like meats or vegetables or pasta. I'm taking Culinology 55, which I really love, but I also have to take biochem as part of the major, and I'm also in a public health class as part of my upper division GE and introduction to food science. Last year Cul 50 was my favorite, even though I knew a lot of what was there. I have a restaurant and we've been trying to get that restaurant really going good for 10 years now. So, and before that I always cooked. I wanted to be like the next Food Network star. That was my big dream, you know, after I had my babies, and I thought that would be the way I could cook and make lots of money. So I've always been in and around food, and I've always loved it. It's Mother Mary's. It's an Italian pizzeria and kitchen out in Clovis, and we just, you know, same concept. We just make everything from scratch, really loving, you know, caring goes into all the food that we make. The Serve Safe class that I took last semester just put me on point at the restaurant. So on the days that I do go in there, I'm just on everybody like crazy, thanks to Dr. Dormady. You know, I'll be like, hey, that cloth is not supposed to be sitting over there. That corner needs to be cleaned. It took me all semester to discover the little lab area, like the little area where everybody hangs out and studies. I'd been sitting in the big library over by Starbucks almost the entire semester, and then the last like month I discovered that I could like network and talk to all these other students that are in the same program and talk about what they went through versus what I'm going to be going through maybe in the next semester, and what different professors require of you. And that was really fun, you know, to talk like that with other people that are in your exact same situation. I was nervous about biochemistry, and then after doing the Cul 55 class and learning what we're going to be doing this semester, I'm so excited about that we're going to be working with meat and like producing corned beef. Like my stepmom is Irish, like she's going to do backflips that I'm going to learn how to cure an actual corned beef, and we've been wanting to make our own sausage for like years, so I'm really excited. Like anything I have to do with biochem is worth getting to come and do the lab on Mondays to make that kind of